Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to face Google Play Store download pending. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily face Play Store download issues. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, at the upper right corner you can see your profile here. Just click on that, and once you click on your profile you can see settings. Just click on settings, and once you click on settings you can see the second option is network preferences. Just click on that, and once you click on that you need to make sure you click on app download preferences, and you can see over all networks. You need to make sure it is on over all networks. Now once you are done, the second thing you need to do is to scroll down to where you can see about, and once you click on about, scroll down and you can see update Play Store. You need to make sure you update your Play Store to the latest version. So this is the best way to update your Play Store application. So just click on update Play Store and you can see the version over here. Now once you are done, just open your phone settings over here. Open your phone settings and go to apps and notifications. Now once you click on that, just click on see more, and you can see over here app access management. Scroll down and you can see special app access. Once you click on that you can see install unknown apps. So you can see you have to allow installation of unknown sources, and once you click on that, just come to your apps, and then you can see all your apps over here. Just scroll down, and once you scroll down you can see your Google Play services. You can see, just click on storage and cache. Just clear cache of your Google Play services, and then scroll down, go back and then select your Google Play Store and do same, clear cache, and that's it. So once you are done and you have allowed access, so now that's it. By doing this your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new